Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andre Angelkowski. We're here in Etobicoke. We're in the prime beaches in Toronto, and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. Hey guys, it's Andre here from Beach Investing, and we created a new workshop on February of 2019, and it's about the one and done strategy. And in this workshop, what we talk about is this new way of building wealth in Toronto. I won't give away too much. You got to watch the video or the whole workshop. The speakers that we have in this workshop is myself, and we have Jeff Reed, who is a contractor, and we have Adam, who is our architect. And we discuss the concept of one and done, and we also go into the legalities of a triplex. We go into the construction aspect, the renovation part, and the cost versus values. There's a lot of value in this workshop. You'll love it. If you want to have access to this full workshop, fill out the form below, and an email will get sent to you with the link to this workshop. And if you like what you see, feel free to contact me. I can give you a private tour of this actual house or other similar houses in the Toronto beaches. Enjoy.